In this video, I'll show you how to enable dark mode on Instagram using your iPhone. If this helps you, please consider subscribing and giving the video a like so others can find it. If we try to go to Instagram and we go to settings, and we try to search for dark mode, as you can see, no results will come up. This is because you can't enable dark mode on your iPhone inside Instagram. You have to do it on the settings app. Here's how you can do it. Open the settings app on your phone, then select display and brightness. Here you're gonna enable dark mode, and this will change all your phone to dark mode. Now, if I go back to Instagram, as you can see, it's gonna be in dark mode. Remember that this will enable dark mode for all the apps that support it. And having your phone in dark mode can actually help you protect your eyes. Hope that helps.